Welcome back to this series on MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil, and in previous videos we seen what is MATLAB, how to install MATLAB, how to install GNU Octave, and basic documentation of MATLAB. So in this video we are going to see basic arithmetic operations in MATLAB, commenting in MATLAB in great detail. So let's get started.
Find 2 plus 3, so it gives 5. So plus symbol is used for addition. So let's try 2 equal to 265.26, means that value is assigned to A. B equal to 59, then C equal to A plus B, so it gives addition of A and B. And try C equal to A minus B, so it gives subtraction. So minus symbol is used for subtraction. Just try 56 minus 65, it gives minus 9. 3 minus 2, it gives 1. 85 plus 65, it gives 150. 85 star 69, means small star is used for multiplication, it gives multiplication of 85 and 69. A equal to 6, B equal to 5, C equal to A small star B, means it gives multiplication of A and B, that is 30. C equal to D equal to B slash A slash B, so it gives dividation of A and B, that is 1.2. Now try 7 divided by 0, it gives INF. INF is means for infinity. We know 7 divided by 0 it is infinity. So let's try INF divided by 0, it gives again INF, means it is infinity. 0 divided by INF, it is 0. We know that 0 divided by infinity is equal to 0 and infinity by 0 equal to infinity. So let's try it. 59 into 62.02, so it gives multiplication. So let's try cos pi by 2. So basically pi stands for 3.1416 value, means it gives value of pi. So let's try tan pi, it gives value of tan pi, means tan 180 degree. Sin pi, like that it gives sin, cos, tan, cot, all trigonometric functions, means we are able to use all trigonometric function in MATLAB. So let's try cot pi, so it gives value of cot 180 degree. So let's try one equations. X equal to sin 56 plus cos 90.
So we seen some operations related to some arithmetic operations and some calculations in this video. So let's recap them. So we seen assignment operator, means we uses equal to for assignment operator. Suppose we want to give value 5, means for A, so we use A equal to 5, so it stores in some memory location as equal to 5. And the plus is used for addition. We are able to add two numbers like 1 plus 2, and negative symbol means dash is used for subtraction, 1 minus 2. Like that we have small star, which is used for multiplication, like 1 into small star up to. Like that we have slash, which is used for division, 1 slash 2. We seen some operations like that. So now in this video, now we are going to see some other arithmetic operations like power, transpose, commenting, and left division. So let's see how to use power, means how to use that caret symbol. Suppose we want to give 1 raised to 2. So how to give this into MATLAB. So now in this video we are going to see some. So now and we also seen some predefined functions like pi. Pi gives value of 3.1592, means it is gives value of pi, and infinity means INF, which stands for infinity. So in this video we are going to see some arithmetic operations like caret, single quote, percent, and backslash. So suppose we want to print as 2 raised to 2. So how can we print? So for that we use this caret symbol. So we use 2 raised to means 2 caret 2, so it gives us 4. So we use this caret for power. Like that we have many examples. And transpose, we have single quote, which is used for transpose. Suppose we have some matrix equal to 1 into 2. So size of this matrix is 1 into 2, 1 column, 1 row and 2 columns. So when we use that single quote, a single quote, so it gives, means it changes from 1 to 2 to 2 to 1. So it gives a as 1 and 2. So we have single quote, and percent is used for commenting in MATLAB. Suppose we given a equal to 5, so then we use this percent sign and use like a is 5. And like that we also have left division. We are going to work on left division in next videos in section matrix and linear algebra.
So let's try some operation. So we want to give a raised to 2. So a caret 2 gives power of 2, means a square 2 square, like that 45 raised to 6. So that also gives power of 45, 2 raised to 9, 2 caret 9. So let's give a equal to 1 2 3 4, and let's try a single quote. So it gives transpose of a, and let us use some, means commenting. So z equal to x plus y, percent x is summation of z is summation of x and y. So we use this percent in one line of comment. There is not necessary to use semicolon, but when we are giving commenting, then use of semicolon is good for structure of program. So let us give x equal to 0 by infinity. Percent x is division or dividation of 0 and infinity. So we seen percent sign is used for commenting in one line. So let us see how to comment for many lines or how to give big comment. Percent curly bracket and then we use comment like hello I am Pankaj and now I am working on Hello World program. And then percent hello I am Pankaj and now I am working on Hello World program. And again percent and closing curly then we have percent opening bracket, then the structure of comment, then percent closing curly bracket.